This is my son-in-law.
Hi! 70 ba? 70 ba?
We have two vegetable section there in the wet market. The one that I went on, that is more cheaper. The vegetables there, they sell it more higher than the above vegetable station. We got it 10 pesos more cheaper because the upper section of the upper vegetable section is what do you call?
More expensive?
No, much cheaper.
Compare?
The above.
Okay.
Above vegetable section. The vegetables that we sell, that they sell here, are local vegetables. Local, what do you call?
Small farms?
There's also big farms like in Baguio City. They sell they produce carrots, the vegetables that can grow on cold weather. And farm vegetables, what do you call that? Farm vegetables, the string beans, the eggplant. They all produce here in the Philippines. We seldom import.
Got it.
They import more on fruits like apples and like, do you call the pear?
Is the chicken local?
Yes, chickens are local.
Also pork?
The pork also, and the beef. The one who produces more coffee, the Batangas City, they're the producers of coffee here also. They grow cows there.
So we are getting to the market area.
This is the main wet market, and we go up on the vegetable section, which are separated because it's much cheaper there.
We have 7 o'clock in the morning. It's already getting busy and also getting hot. Let's see where we will find parking.
During Saturdays, there are so many people here in the market because others during Monday to Friday they're working. That's why when it's Saturday.
So today is the busiest day.
Yes.
Do you have any idea where we will be able to find parking?
We will look inside the parking area. There's still
We are still looking for a parking place. Fresh fish. There's a parking. Look, he's clearing the place just for us. See, VIP parking. Good, we found a parking place. So we are separating our ways over here. He's going one way, we go another way.
But he will go there also.
Okay, okay.
I said to buy him first what we need in the grocery.
Should I carry the bag for you?
But
Should I carry the bag for you?
no, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So Nai, what are we buying first?
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
You can buy vegetables, cheaper ones there. It is separated from this building, the main wet market.
Mm.
We have also the food court here.
It looks like a coconut.
This is mango that's produced here.
Local mango. Should we buy some for Divina? She likes the sour one.
After we...
After? Okay.
Do you want to...
Hello po. 120 isang kilo po. Dito
120 per
100.
kilo.
Yes.
100.
Ay,
Ito
100 dito 100. Iba kasi yung presyo niya po.
Pinalabaw.
Opo.
Magkasilagyan ng bagoong.
Pre, kasi ang ganda ko. Pero mas maganda yung mangga.
Ganda raw siya.
Siyempre! Pipisan lang.
This is my son-in-law.
Pwede akong apon. Pwede akong Bisaya.
119, madam.
119.
Ako.
Less than a kilo.
190 pa.
115 na lang. Wala, 15 meron. Gusto mo 15?
I'm okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Nai, I carry the bag and you keep buying, okay?
I will get it.
25 per kilo. That's
35.
a 50 Singaporean cents.
Because it's only produce, they plant it here. All kinds of, almost all kinds of bananas. Tindang. Wala yung nagtitindang. Wala yung nagtitindang.
Ito mo.
35 po.
Pwede alisin itong may ano.
Thank you, ma'am. Naku, baka mag-artist na. Please,
Put inside, Nai.
90 na lang po. Wala pong walang panokay.
Kano sa inyo yung mga
Meron po kung 100, iba po ano, 50 ang kilo, Cambodia na.
this is an imported?
Cambodia po. Pero dito na po din na ano,
Ah,
dito
planted
na-
here,
Opo.
pero Cambodian.
Opo,
Variety.
Opo, Cambodia na. Ano, okay na?
Kasama ba? Kasama ba ka? Bawa?
Guys.
Since we live in Singapore, I'm making the price comparisons with the Singapore. Well, obviously, if the produce is local and you don't need to pay the import, the prices are slightly different.
Seven now. Even the watermelon, the produce.
Oh, this big selection. Very big selection.
Papalit ka ba?
Mali ng mais.
Alin no? 80 yellow.
Green peas, bugo.
Takad. Dito ka na naman.
Na lang din dito.
Baka mamaya may kaya.
Ito na lang daw. Mahatid na sa ano. 2.5 na.
2.5.
Pwede rin panlaga.
Dagdagan ko na ito.
Kasama ba ako pati kalaman?
Pero masarap dito. Dapat dagdag.
Eto na lang. Grabe Pina!
164.
Ate, excuse mo muna. Salamat.
Can you please put it over here?
We'll just leave the other.
Leave it here and then we will pick it up.
Yes, it's okay to leave.
Yeah, can you tell them so they know that it's ours?
It's okay. Somehow. sometimes I leave what I buy.
And maybe you put this on the top as well, so we don't have to carry.
Pwede ba iwan?
It's nice. We can leave the basket over here and then pick it up because it's getting very, very heavy. Okay, so what else do we need?
For 160.
I take the bag. Oh.
Bili na sir. Kano? Ano pa? Bili ko na.
70 ba? Isang dagdag. 70 ba? Picture pa ako. Hanap na ako ng... Picture pa ako. Nakakuha na ako ng boyfriend. Dalawa si friend na namin. Nakakuha na ako ng boyfriend.
Dalawa si Quinta na kamo.
Okay, sandaan yan. Ay, hindi! 200. Do you like Bego? Ayusin mo yung English mo! Ayun, ako po! 250!
We have dropped off the vegetables because they were getting kind of heavy, so we went back to the car. And now with empty baskets, we are going to get some fresh meat for cooking.